Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix crypto purchase problems with PayPal, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Navigate to your PayPal account and log in. Once logged in, click on Wallet at the top of the page. Check your linked bank accounts and cards to ensure they are verified. If your funding source is not verified, complete that process. Next, select Settings from the top right corner. Look for the Security tab within the Settings menu. Enable two-factor authentication for added security. Return to your wallet and ensure you have sufficient balance for the transaction. Now, head over to the Crypto section on PayPal. Choose the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. Enter the amount you wish to buy. If prompted, agree to any terms and conditions. Check for any security alerts or notifications in your account. If you encounter an error, verify your identity if asked. Double-check the payment method selected for the transaction. If using a card, ensure it has enough limit for the purchase. Contact PayPal support if problems persist. Document any issues for reference when contacting support. Try purchasing the same cryptocurrency again after resolving the issues. With these steps, you should be able to fix any crypto purchase problems with PayPal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.